Good morning, students. Here another video on debentures. This is issue of debentures in installments. Over here also we have, just like shares, the debentures can be issued, application money will be received, then we will transfer the application money to debentures, not in share capital but in debentures. We will not say debentures capital. Then we will make two entries for allotment. We will make due the allotment. Remember, just like shares, in the due entry of allotment, we will be passing the premium entry as well as discount entry if required. And then we can receive the money of allotment. Then we will have the calls entry for debentures and so on, just like shares. So it's a very easy topic. Let's start with a sum. Now, debentures have to be redeemed, as I have told you in my last video also. If nothing is mentioned, then we have to assume that it has to be redeemed at par. Then a simple journal entry. There will be no entry for loss on issue of debentures to premium on redemption of debenture. This entry we don't have to pass. Whenever it will be redeemed at premium, we have to pass this entry. Loss on issue of debentures to premium on redemption of debentures. Let's see. First sum at rupees 10 lakhs, 15% debentures company has issued at par, and all the debentures are to be redeemed at par only. Nothing mentioned means it will be redeemed at par. Very simple. First of all, you receive the application money, bank to debenture application. Then debenture application money will be transferred to debenture. That is debenture capital. Actually, we say only debenture, not debenture capital. That is the two entry for application. Then two entry for allotment. The two entry for allotment, first we will be passing the due entry. First we will be passing the due entry, this entry, debenture allotment to debenture. And then we will be passing the bank entry, that is bank account debit to debenture allotment. So this is the first sum. Next, we will have issue of debentures at premium and to be redeemed at par. To be redeemed at par. So first entry, receive of application money is same. Then transfer of application money to debenture. Then we have debenture allotment to 15% debenture to SPR. We have issued the debentures at premium. Then bank to debenture allotment, we are receiving the money. Then the third variety of sum, when we have issued the debentures at a discount. So when debentures are issued at a discount, bank to debenture application to 15% debenture. These two entries are again same. Discount will be treated with allotment, just like premium. Debenture allotment 5,20,000 because 80,000 is the discount on issue. Discount on issue debit is 80,000, and to 15% debenture 6 lakhs. Then bank to debenture allotment, we are receiving the money. We are receiving 5,20,000. We are receiving 5,20,000. Yeah, this much, 5,20,000 we are receiving. And now we will have, so these three entries we have done. That is the entries when issue at par, premium, discount, but redeem at par. Now we have issue at par, premium, discount, but redeem at premium. That means issue at par, redeem at premium. Issue at premium, redeem at premium. Issue at discount, redeem at premium. The entries are totally same as we have done in the last video. So same sum we have taken, 10 lakhs rupees, 100 debentures, rupees 100, that means 10,000 debentures, 40 on application, rest in allotment. We have not made the calls entry, it is same actually. Those debentures were to be redeemed at a premium of 5%. 5% of 10 lakhs is 50,000 the premium money. So first entry, debenture application money received, the entire money, that is 10,000 into 40 for 4 lakhs. Debenture application to debenture, transfer of debenture application money to debenture. These two entries are same in all the three cases. Then debenture allotment, loss on debenture to 15% debenture. Actually, if you notice, debenture allotment to 15% debenture, 6 lakhs is there. Only a fitting entry, that is loss on issue of debentures to premium on redemption of debentures. That 50,000, that 5% which we are going to redeem. Why we are passing this? Conservative principle of prudence. That in the future we have to pay more when we are comparing with the par value. Instead of 6 lakhs, we have to pay 6,50,000. Instead of 10 lakhs, we have to pay 10,50,000. So in that case, from the very beginning, we are passing this entry that loss on issue of debentures of 50,000 to premium on redemption of debenture. Remember student, just like in last video, premium on redemption of debenture and debenture both will be shown under long-term borrowings. Whereas loss on issue of debenture will be getting cancelled in statement of PL. If there is a SPR, then it will be cancelled through SPR. Even if it gives negative, then also statement of PL will be taken as I have shown in the last video. Then we have received the money on debenture allotment, bank to debenture allotment, 6 lakhs received. Now issue of debentures at premium, redeem at premium. So first two entries again same. Then debenture allotment 6 lakh 80 because you are issuing at 80,000 premium. That is 8% premium, 80,000. To SPR 80,000 to 15% debenture, and then the same fitting entry, loss on debenture to premium on issue of debenture 5%. And we are receiving the money, bank to debenture allotment. Similarly, the discount part, 8% discount to be redeemed at 5% premium. 8% is 80,000. So actually discount is 80,000 and loss on premium is 50,000. So 80 plus 50, 1,30,000. We will not write discount and loss separately. We will just club them together and we will write loss entry. Our application entry is totally same. Bank to debenture application, the receiving part. Debenture application to 15% debenture, we have transferred to debenture. Now we will make the due entry. That is debenture allotment 5 lakh 20 because 80,000 we are not receiving now. To debenture 6 lakhs and that 80,000 is added in this loss. Loss has discount as well as loss. Loss of 50,000 and 80,000 is the loss of 50,000 and 80,000 is the 80,000 is the discount. So loss on issue of debentures 80,000 plus 50,000, 1,30,000. So our premium on redemption is 50,000 and 80,000 was discount which is been added over there. 80,000. 5 lakh 20 plus 80 is 6 lakhs. And we are receiving money debenture, bank to debenture allotment 5 lakh 20. This loss on issue of debentures will get cancelled in statement of PL and premium on redemption of debentures will be shown under long-term borrowings. 15% debenture will be also shown under long-term borrowings. We can pass one more entry to close the loss, statement of PL to loss on debentures. Now this is your homework students. You will be doing this homework. On 1st April 2013, 1 lakh 15% debentures of 100 each. Case 1, when the debentures are issued at par. Case 2, when debentures are issued at 10% premium. And case 3, when debentures are issued at 10% discount. Payable at ₹40 on application, balance on allotment. That means premium and discount is all with allotment only, just like the other sum. 3 sums we are clubbed together. And these debentures were redeemed at a 5% premium. At par entry, I have not given. You have to just do the fitting entry. If you remove the fitting entry, it becomes the par entry. So you will be just passing the journal entries in the first year of debenture issue. Thank you, students. Hope you have understand this. And please like, comment, share, and all those things you do. Thank you, students.